Hello, YouTube family. I told myself I wasn't going to do this, but here I am doing it anyway. I thought it was important. Important that you understand what is happening with our food supply and how it is very oriented on businesses. In the past, our businesses, they've been able to create, produce, distribute awesome products for us. There was somebody that was in the Discord today, and I know who you are, and yes, we're going to talk about you because what you're saying is actually holding weight in the world. When you start talking about inflation and shrinkflation and how they're still producing products with the same name, but it's a different thing. Simple case. Someone was eating like some, I won't even say the brand name, one of the better beef stews, canned beef stews. And I know somebody's gonna be like, well, make your own. That's not what we're talking about today. They were eating the beef stew that their mom or dad or grandma loved so much and they grew up on, and they knew if they just cracked this can open, blah, it's going to be this great beef stew. They start flicking through it, and there's like almost no beef in it whatsoever. And the pieces of beef that are in it don't really look like beef. In fact, they're likely not real beef. There's actually a product out there called, I think it's Textured Meat Substitute or Textured Protein Substitute, TPS, I think. And that's what they'll make these little meat thingies out of, and they'll put them in there and then say that there's beef or there's meat inside the can. What really popped off in my brain was the fact that this particular brand is notorious for putting one little piece of bacon inside each one of their cans to give that bacon flavor. It's almost like the prize in the box of a cereal that doesn't exist anymore. That you could be guaranteed you'd find that one little piece of bacon. It was always there, and even that is gone now. So here's what we have to learn from this, and we have to take it in and absorb it and adjust to it. There's going to be a lot of more time where what you think is there isn't really there. What you think you're paying for, you're not really paying for. And maybe it's time to start baking some bread. Because hard times are coming, whether we like it or not. I don't do the fear porn. I don't play these games, but we have to look at this very logically and very realistically, because that's what the people who built this country did. They made soup and bread, and they survived on it, and they raised their kids on it. And soup is not stew. There's a huge difference. I think that's all I wanted to say. As usual, everybody stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching, and I hope you decide to support the page. If you like what I'm doing, go ahead and hit the link below. If it didn't take you directly to it, you can just hit the support page. That's what it should look like. All you have to do is either hit the Patreon symbol or the join button. Doesn't matter. Just hit it and that'll get you started. It's $3 a month for 30-ish days of work from me. The price of a Starbucks coffee. So until the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.